Welcome to my channel. Today I have such a fun and easy project to share with you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this welcome sign. This sign, it was just getting items from the Dollar Tree. The bucket in the bottom was from Hobby Lobby, and those are just printable letters that were pretty easy to apply. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did this. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a pretty easy project. What you're gonna need is two signs from the Dollar Tree. These are the ones that I got. They're still out there for Halloween. So what I did was we spray painted the back, because if we just use acrylic paint, it was just gonna take too long, especially since we're doing two signs back to back. We also had an extra piece of wood, and we want to use that piece of wood that's gonna go behind where it says beware. And that piece of wood is the one that's going to go inside that bucket. That bucket we did get from Hobby Lobby, and we were able to use a 40% coupon since we did not find any of those. The color you see inside was the actual color, but we spray painted the outside to give it that silver touch or that metallic touch. So that's what you're gonna need. We also printed some letters that says welcome, just regular paper, and Mod Podge, and that Mod Podge has some glitter, which we're gonna put that right on top. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a stick that is gonna go in here, right here in the center, and I already measured where I wanted to start from. I don't want it to be all the way in, but this stick in here, we're gonna put a screw in the back. And the sign is going to start where that line is at. I want to give it a little space because I want to put some floral arrangement in here, some rocks to hold it together. And this one, so the sign could start from here, and then from there we're gonna use these letters you see here that says welcome. These are just regular paper that I printed, I cut, and I left them in the color black, and then I'm going to put Mod Podge on top to make sure that they seal on this board. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and do everything here on this piece of wood. I already measured where the first one is going to go. So the first one's going to go from here to here, as you see the line. You see the line there, and the other line is right there. So that should be good. The reason why I have this little ruler is because I kind of like already measure how these letters are gonna go. I want to make sure that they look pretty. There's a nice gap in between, that it does flow. So you're gonna be seeing a video that I was rearranging them while this was drying. It measures about 47 inches. So what I want to do is I'm gonna remove 5 inches from the top. So from here, I'm gonna look for where it says up to 5 inches. So this is where the 5 inches is at. I just put a line there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. The reason is between, I removed 5 inches from here, 5 inches from the bottom. So from here onto the other line is where we're gonna be putting the welcome letters. And that's the one that I was measuring, which measures about 37 inches in between. So now I'm going to be using the wood glue. So from here to here, you will see that I marked, and it's a little less than 7 inches is what that line is at. You will see the line right there. It's a little less than 7 inches. And this is where I want the sign to start, and this is going to be the part that's going to be inside the bucket. So let's go ahead and there. And that's where we're going to start applying the letter right with that. And we're going to keep the ruler there for this to be our guide. And let's start applying. This is the top, so let's start applying those letters, hot gluing them. Because I have a little bit of Mod Podge left, what I did was I added silver glitter and a touch of light glitter, the one that is kind of white, so that you will see that in there. And what I'm going to do is with the brush, I am going to apply very gently, because remember, this is printable paper, regular paper, and you're going to see a nice coat, so it looks like glue. And once I apply this on every single letter, then I apply the rest all throughout, so it looks very even. And the good thing is that you guys could get very creative. You guys could use any other color glitter, or just use Mod Podge on its own. So this is how it looks like. So what we did was we applied some wood just to make sure that the stick is very sturdy, and then around it we put some foam and then some of that moth on top with hot glue. These I am just wrapping it around some skewers because I'm going to remove them. This is not branches that are going to stay all throughout. The purpose of this welcome sign, I wanted to make sure that is, you could use it any season. What we're going to change is the decoration. That's why I'm not applying hot glue, but that is up to you guys. You guys could apply hot glue if you like, but for me it was easier just to wrap it around some skewers. These also, you could buy them from the Dollar Tree, and then just go ahead and decorate it and have fun. So guys, this concludes this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You guys saw that you could actually make this tall sign from just using items from the Dollar Tree. So I truly appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you could give it a thumbs up, and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, bye.